Question number 1, bit 7. Two by 3 x equal to minus 1 by 6 x square minus 1 by 3. Now we have to solve this. We have to solve this. We have to solve this equation. Now first of all, arrange this equation in general form. So to remove fraction from the coefficient, multiply each term by LCM of 3, 6 and 3. LCM of denominator 3, 6 and 3 is 6. So multiply each term by 6. So 2 by 3 into 6x is equal to 6 into minus 1 by 6x square minus 6 into 1 by 3. So it will be 4x is equal to minus x square minus 2, or x square plus 4x plus 2 equal to 0. Now comparing this equation with this one, x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So here a means coefficient of x square, it will be 1, b is coefficient of x 4 and c is constant term, so it is 2. Now formula for x is minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. So minus b is 4 plus minus root under 4 square minus 4a is 1 and c is 2 by 2 times a is 1. So it will be minus 4 plus minus root under 16 minus 8 by 2. So it will be minus 4 plus minus root under 8 by 2. So minus 4 plus minus and root 8 can be written as 2 root 2 by 2. Now taking 2 common, so minus 2 plus minus root 2 by 2. 2 to cancel, so it will be minus 2 plus minus root 2. Therefore one value of x is minus 2 plus root 2 and the other value is minus 2 minus root 2. Now put the value of root 2, so it will be 1.414. Now and here minus 2 minus 1.414. So after simplification here you will get minus 0. It will be 6, then 8, then 5, 0. So minus 0.586 and here it will be minus 3.414. So solution set is equal to curly bracket minus 3.414 comma minus 0.586. This is the answer. Now here in this question nothing is written that you have to write answer up to 1 decimal, 2 decimal, nothing is written, so you can leave answer up to here also. Now question number 1, bit 8. Question number 1, bit 8. Now question number 8 is solve 1 by 15 x square plus 5 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 x. We have to solve this equation. So first of all, write the equation in general form. So to remove fraction from this equation, multiply each term by LCM of 15, 3 and 3. So LCM of 15, 3 and 3 will be 15. So 15 into 1 by 15x square plus 15 into 5 by 3 is equal to 15 into 2 by 3 x, or it will be x square plus, and here it is 25 is equal to 10x, or x square minus 10x plus 25 equal to 0. So here, comparing this with general quadratic equation, a will be 1, coefficient of x square, b will be minus 10, coefficient of x, and c will be 25, constant term. Now formula for x is minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by twice a. So it will be minus 10 plus minus root under b square minus 10 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is 25, whole divided by 2 into a is 1. So it will be 10 plus minus, and it is 100 minus 100 by 2. So answer will be 10 plus minus 0 by 2. So one answer will be 10 by 2 and other answer also will be 10 by 2. So answer is 5, 5. So solution set will be, solution set is equal to curly bracket 5, 5. This is correct. Solution set equal to curly bracket 5. This will be wrong, because each quadratic equation has 2 and only 2 roots. Now question number 1, bit 9. Solve the equation x square minus 6 is equal to 2 root 2 into x. So first of all we will arrange this equation in general form. X square, shifting this one this side, 2 root 2 into x minus 6 equal to 0. Now comparing this equation with general equation, so a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2 root 2, and c is equal to minus 6. Therefore x is equal to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. So minus 2 root 2 plus minus root under b square, so minus 2 root 2 whole square minus 4, a is 1 and c is minus 6, whole divided by 2 times a. Now it will be 2 root 2 plus minus root under, the square of this is 4 to the 8 and it is minus. So this will be plus 6 4 the 24 divided by 2. So it is 2 root 2 plus minus, and it will be root 32 by 2. So 2 root 2 plus minus, and root 32 can be written as 16 into 2 by 2. So 2 root 2 plus minus, and square root of 16 is 4 root 2 by 2. So one answer will be 2 root 2, or take 2 common, so root 2 plus minus 2 root 2 by 2. So 2 cancel, so one answer will be root 2 plus 2 root 2. and other answer will be root 2 minus 2 root 2. So 3 root 2 and minus root 2. So these are the solution set. Now you can leave answer up to here because in the question nothing is written here, but I will prefer answer in decimal. So 3, the value of root 2 is 1.414 minus 1.414. So it will be, now this will be minus, how much it will be? Minus this answer will be 4.2 438 12 1 3 1 3 and 1 4 12 4.242. It will be minus 1.414. So solution set is curly bracket minus 1.414 and 4.243 sorry, answer. Now question number 1 bit 10. So this question is 4 by x minus 3 is equal to 5 by 2x plus 3. Now we have to solve this question. So first of all arrange this equation in general form. So here LCM is x, it will be 4 minus 3x is equal to, now here it will be 5 by 2x plus 3. Now cross multiply 4 minus 3x into 2x plus 3 is equal to 5x, or 4 2 is 8 plus 4 into 8x, 4 into 3 12 minus 6x square minus 9x is equal to 5x, or minus 6x square as it is 8x and minus 9x, it will be minus x plus 12 minus 5x is equal to 0, or minus 6x square minus 6x plus 12 equal to 0. Now always make a habit to keep the coefficient of x square positive. So it can be written as x square plus, taking minus 6 common, x square plus x and minus 2 will be 0. So x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. This is the final quadratic equation. Now this can, so value, comparing this equation with general equation, a is 1, b is 1 and c is minus 2. So value of x is minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. So minus 1 plus minus root under b square, and that means 1 square minus 4a is 1 and c is minus 2 divided by 2 into 1. So minus 1 plus minus, it will be root under 1 plus 8 by 2. So minus 1 plus minus root 9 by 2. So it will be minus 1 plus minus 3 by 2. So one answer will be minus 1 plus 3 by 2. Minus 1 minus 3 by 2. So answer is 2 by 2, that is 1, and it is minus 2. So solution set is is curly bracket minus 2 comma 1. Answer. Now question number again 1 but bit 11. Here the question is 2x plus 3 by x plus 3 is equal to x plus 4 by x plus 2. So first of all, convert this equation in general form. So, or cross multiply 2x plus 3 into x plus 2 is equal to x plus 3 into x plus 4, or multiply this, so its multiplication will be 2x square, here it is 4x and 3x, so plus 7x and plus 6 is equal to, it will be x square plus 7x and plus 12 equal to 0, or no or it will be 2x square plus 7x plus 6 minus x square minus 7x minus 12 equal to 0. This one is cancelled, so we will get here x square minus 6 equal to 0. Now this equation can be easily solved by factorization method, but here it is written that we have to solve this equation using formula. So here a is equal to 1, coefficient of x square is called a, so it is 1. B is, so coefficient of x is called b, but here there is no term of x, that means coefficient of b is, coefficient of x is 0, and c is constant term, so it is minus 6. Now formula for x is minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by twice a. So minus b is 0 plus minus root under b square, so 0 square minus 4a is 1 and c is minus 6 by 2 into a is 1. So it will be plus minus root under 24 by 2. Now 24 can be written as 4 into 6 by 2. So plus minus 4 square root of 4 is 2, so 2 root 6 by 2. So answer is plus minus root 6. So solution set is equal to curly bracket minus root 6 and plus root 6. You can leave answer up to here, or you can put the value of square root 6. So value of square root 6 is approximately 2.45, so it is 2.45 and 2.45 answer. Now question number again 1 and bit 12. So question number 12 is root 6x square minus 4x minus 2 root 6 is equal to 0. So this is the equation. So it is already given in arranged form, so directly we will compare. So a is root 6, b is minus 4 and c is minus 2 root 6, comparing this equation with general equation. Now formula for x is minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. So minus b is minus 4 plus minus root under b square minus 4 square minus 4a is root 6 and c is minus 2 root 6 by twice a is root 6. So 4 plus minus root under it will be 16 plus 4 2 ja 8, 8 and root is root 6, it will be 6 by 2 root 6. So it is 4 plus minus root 48 plus 16. So 48 plus 16 is, it is 4 by 64 by 2 root 6. So it will be 4 plus minus 8 by 2 root 6. So that is one root will be 4 plus 8 by 2 root 6 and the other will be 4 minus 8 by 2 root 6. So this is 12 by 2 root 6 and minus 4 by 2 root 6. So from here we will get 6 by root 6 and here minus 2 by root 6. Now generally from the answer, denominator should be free from radical sign. So it can be written as 6 by root 6 multiplied by root 6 by root 6 to rationalize denominator, minus 2 by root 6. So multiply numerator denominator by root 6 for rationalization. So it will be 6 root 6 by 6 and here it will be minus 2 root 6 by root 6. So this will be root 6 and this will be minus root 6 by 3. So solution set is root 6 and minus root 6 by 3, or you can substitute the value of root 6. So value of root 6 is approximately 2.45 and it will be minus 0.8. I am dividing with 2 is 2. Answer.